This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Sharon Gallo. Welcome home to High Point 55 Plus Golf Community. This 1,560 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath split floor plan home is filled with opportunity and ready for your personal touch. The spacious great room features vaulted ceilings and a cozy wood-burning fireplace, creating the perfect place to relax after a day on the course or gather with friends. Step out onto the 20-foot lanai and take in peaceful open golf course views, an ideal spot for morning coffee, evening conversations, or simply enjoying the Florida breeze. The split layout offers privacy for guests, while the primary suite provides a comfortable retreat. A shed with golf cart garage door makes getting around the community easy and convenient. Located in the High Point 55 Plus Golf Community, you'll enjoy friendly neighbors, an active social calendar, clubs, and events that make it easy to feel right at home. Close to restaurants, shopping, entertainment, hospitals, and medical facilities, this home offers both comfort and convenience. With a little love, this can be a wonderful place to create new memories and truly make it your own. See the potential and imagine the lifestyle waiting for you. For more information,